It took 2 years for them to investigate, say, na negligence by person. Almost 2 years. Just to come and tell us na negligence by person. It took 2 years. Person pikin kpai inside the house. Una leave the people wey dey with am inside the house. Una go follow people wey dey outside. Na those people una go catch. They ask question. If they explain this country to you and you understand, now here they sit down, just the argue. If I dey think about everything where they don't talk and everything wey don happen within this time of this matter, the surprise, the shock, you continue to dey wonder why. May God help us. I have said it before. In all you do in this life, no stand anywhere, tell person say, "Buy me, may you see what it go happen." Something will not happen. Peace and love.